All right, so we're installing CircuitPython on this Raspberry Pi Pico. Here's the download site. I'm going down to the version 9, the alpha version, and downloading that. See here, we see it downloaded. And now to get it installed on this Raspberry Pi Pico, we hold the button down right here, the boot cell button, and that's going to boot it up in a mode that we can will allow us to drag the files over. So you hold the button down, then plug the USB cable in. And we're going to cut over here to right here. We're going to drag over the downloaded file onto that disk that was mounted as RPI-RP2. That was our Raspberry Pi Pico. So yeah, just drag that CircuitPython over and we see the little indicator here shows us that it has completed. And so we look over here and we see it's unmounted and it's going to remount as CircuitPy. So that CircuitPy drive there is where we'll copy all of our CircuitPython code. So we see it has an empty lib directory there, and that is okay. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more useful tips like this.